I'm Shashi Kohli from Amity Research Centers. The case conference has given us a good platform for the Amity case writers to network with fellow case writers and some excellent tutors. And it's also given us an opportunity to network with the case center team, the great case center team which has been hosting all our cases for over years.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Chandanani. I come from Amity University, Dubai. And I would like to start by thanking the Case Center for giving us this opportunity. It was a fabulous 2 days that we've spent with Amity. The entire Amity team actually is here. All of us spent a fabulous 2 days at IIM Bangalore. And well, I have so many reflections that, to start off, I am going back to day one when, they started off by saying, I think Scott said it, that more is less and less is more. So, that was the first learning, because I think some of our cases, at least when I'm writing them, tend to stretch so long that, I have to look at the brevity of the cases now. And apart from that, the opportunity to sit through sessions, the session in the morning with Trevor where, he said open the curtain gradually, so that gradual opening, all these have been learnings very, very important for, I think, case writers like me who are novices currently. So it's been an amazing experience, and not to miss the absolutely wonderful sessions that we've attended. There's been so much of learning, the aspects that people have developed in the case, as well as the aspects that we probably need to start incorporating in the cases. I'm sure, and I hope everybody would appreciate all those aspects that we've attended in the conference. Thank you so much for the conference. Thanks.